Welcome to the Top 4 Earn channel.
Step number 1, copy this link. Step number 2, paste the link and click on download. Step number 3, make money like this, or like this. Alright guys, I want you to look at these 3 clips right here. By watching this video already, you're on your way to make over $27,000 each and every month. This does not include TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Now, how can I prove that you can make this amount of money? Well, on this platform, this person is getting 427,000 monthly views. This mom right here is getting 4.5 million monthly views. And this last one, over 10 million monthly views. You can do this without any experience. You can do this from anywhere in the world. You can get big affiliate commissions, so you can do whatever you want, whenever you want, to have complete freedom. Welcome back into the video. Now I have a red box, as you can see. I have a yellow box, as you can see. I have the blue box and the green box, and I'm gonna go through and show you what's hiding behind each and every single box starting right now. We have step number 1 to source, step number 2 to publish, step number 3 to monetize, and step number 4 to automate. So make sure you stay to the end to show you a new tool that you probably never seen before. Nobody's talking about this tool. So the first step that we're gonna go through that we haven't talked about much is actually Pinterest. Take a look at the health niche right here, and then if we click on the top right, you can see all pins. If we click on people, and then we go, for example, to everyday health, have 3.6 million followers, 800,000 followers, and if we click on them, you can see that they're getting over 1 million monthly views. That's right. Let me show you another niche right here, which is the wealth category. And if we just click on people right here, you can see that, for example, if we go into the visionpreneur, this girl is getting literally 1 million monthly views. Now I'm gonna rapid fire through some other ones. Like, for example, Lil Nevi, she's 10 million followers. What about this girl? Self-improvement, getting 4.5 million monthly views right here. Super simple content to make. Selfie improvement, 1.3 million. This guy with the car zone, you can do this in any niche, 5.5 million views. And this one, Executive Empire, 400,000 monthly views. And this girl right here, 10 million monthly views. Now, I want to show you that I've actually done this before. So I used to have a travel channel that was called Bucket List Freak. It changed over to Travel and Pleasure, but I haven't posted since like 2017, probably 4 years ago. And now I'm still getting 26,000 monthly views, and that shows up in my website as well. So I was the guy that made these right here, but you don't have to make any of these posts. And on top of that, we're going to use short videos. We're not going to use these images right here. Now the niche that we're going to talk about is like this Executive Empire, you know, inspirational, motivational, and then we're going to sell some affiliate products in the back end so you can make big affiliate commissions. Now I want you to take a look at these. For example, if you watch this video right here, you can see that it is a very short video. He's throwing the thing in the ground, then shaking it a little bit, and then turn on. Please. There we go. Now it's blue. However, one thing that you have to do, and you're not in the tribe, you're not one of my friends if you don't do this, and that is to give credit. Find the guy that made this video and make sure to give him credit. Now, this is more like a luxury style one. I would rather find one where it's like an inspirational type of quote thing. For example, this millionaire right here, Dean Graziosi, look at this.
Foundation for your next level of wealth, success, whatever you want to call it. So I wake up, I don't check my phone. This is the perfect morning for offense and confidence. I don't check my phone.
So just like that, you can see that is from like an interview, and they're taking that and they're reusing it. I'm going to show you how to do that step by step right now. All you have to do is like the video. I'm trying to get this video to 5,000 likes. Can you help me out with that? All right, I appreciate that a lot. Step number 1, download the video. So we just found this video right here with Dean Graziosi, right? And then we just go to the top, we copy this URL, then search for download Pinterest in Google and just click on the first one. Paste the URL in here and click on download. Now it's downloading in the bottom left corner. Step number 2, publish the video on different sites. So here I have a couple of different ones that you want to go to. For example, TikTok is also where you can source and select clips from. The second one is YouTube Shorts. I love YouTube Shorts. It's growing faster than any other platform right now. And then the last one is obviously Instagram. So these are also where you can source and select clips from. For example, if you take videos from all of these places, once again, make sure you give credit. It's very important. And obviously you can also publish on Pinterest as well. This is one of the methods, obviously. The next one is obviously to go to Instagram. You can repost. You've probably seen like entrepreneur facts and stuff like this, that you have these videos and also the text that gets literally thousands of likes. How is it possible to get that many likes on these pictures? I don't know, but this is also something I'm looking into in 2022 that I want to be way better at. And then obviously you got YouTube Shorts as well. If I search for hashtag shorts and inspirational, you can see all of these. Like for example, Steve Harvey, tiny little short here with 30 seconds. Here you have, for example, hustle big time, big league motivation, these types of channels. So now, do you want to publish on TikTok, Pinterest, Shorts, Instagram? Select one of them or select all of them and make an effort to post on them consistently. Now you might be wondering, how do I monetize this type of content? So one of the websites is obviously Digistore24. That's where you have my product and you can sell my product. For example, if you want people to start a YouTube channel, you can sell my product and make $500 for that. You can only do that from Digistore24. The second one that you can do is ClickBank. ClickBank is one of my favorites. I've done a lot of money with ClickBank in affiliate commissions and is obviously one of the highest ones. I know that there are some countries that can't do ClickBank, but for me, ClickBank is one of the best. And I'll show you exactly how to monetize right now very simply. Step number 3, go to clickbank.com. Here, obviously, we're going to log in and then we go to the marketplace. Now, what I want you to do is click on the search icon right here. Here, you will get all the results and not only just by categories and stuff. Now just click on sort by results and gravity. This is the highest selling product on ClickBank right now. It seems like it is health and fitness, but you can click here, promote, then you can generate hop links, and this is your affiliate link. If anybody goes through these links and buys from you, you will make $150. I already have students that made this big affiliate commission and they were like, Andy, I just posted a couple of shorts and now I made $150. Thank you so much for that. Can definitely have a big pizza party with that. And you can see this one sells like hotcakes. We've already identified that. However, we're not really in the health and weight loss niche right now. So we're going to keep scrolling down until we find some inspirational, motivational type of offer that they could use. For example, get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. It's not pretty cool. So you can just click right here. The gravity is 186, which is really good. They also have monthly recurring in the back end, so you can make those monthly recurring commissions. All you have to do is click on promote. Once again, generate hop links, and this is now your affiliate link. The next step, go to dash.shoreby.com. Here, just sign up. And here you can make it super simple. Just click on this image right here. Now I'm going to click on add block. Then I'm going to click on a button or card. Now I'm just going to copy and paste the ClickBank link that we have. And then I'm going to say get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. And then I'm just going to save that. And as a title, I'm going to say make a full-time income by clicking one of these links. Now, obviously, there's some people that don't want to get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. For those people, we can go back to ClickBank again and we can find a different offer.